Hi everyone! Today I'm just showing you 6 new kits that I'm listing on Etsy. They are journal kits that will consist of some printables and a Reader's Digest book, and then a couple of little ephemera pieces. Alright, so in the first kit you will get 6 of these pages from the Autumn Realm collection. So we've got that one, and this one. This one is more of the whimsical side of things with a lot of the autumn elements, autumn colors especially. And there's some of these little ledger type papers, a couple of those, a couple of these, some of these graph pages as well. So there's 3 of those. And then a small stack of postage stamps, just assorted. 6 mini merchandise tags in this pretty pink color. 3 guest checks. A couple of these inventory tags. 3 doilies that are 5.5 inches. And then the first cover is this beautiful sort of orangey brown one. And some of these have some really nice images inside that'll go really well in your collage projects or any other way you like using images. And this paper is always great for all kinds of journal projects. And then the second kit will be exactly the same, except this is the cover, and it's more of these little flowers in a brown and golden color. And again, when you go through these, you'll find some cool images in there. So that's the first 2 kits. The next 2 kits are with 6 of the pages from Lady Eleanor's journal. And the same ledger pages and doilies and tags and guest checks and postage stamps. And then one of the covers is this very light mauve pattern. Very pretty images on the front here. And the second one is more of a darker purple and green. So that's the 2 Lady Eleanor kits. And then the last 2 kits will have 6 of the pages from Familiar Trees. And again with the ledger paper and doilies and some stamps. And the first cover is this creamy color with a dark green. And the image that stands out for me in this one is this beautiful little illustration. So that'll be the one kit. And then the other kit has this beautiful brown and green cover with a little bit of gold on those dots there. And this is very pretty too. And then just as an added extra, I'm also printing a sheet of ephemera from the familiar trees. So there'll be one in this kit and one with this kit. Same with Lady Eleanor. There's going to be a page printed from the Lady Eleanor collection in each of those, and also in the Autumn Realm 2 kits. These are listed in my Etsy shop now, so if you have any questions at all, you can get in touch with me there or in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.